In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flarto developer. DevCheck device and system info. If it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!